Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video of how to log in. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your wallet address in Bitkeep application. Keep watching the video till the end. To change wallet address on Bitkeep, firstly open up your Bitkeep wallet application. The home page of Bitkeep application will appear on the screen. Click on My Wallet option at the top left corner of the screen. Now, to change your wallet address on Bitkeep, choose any one of the wallets from the options and tap on it. Your wallet address will be changed after you switch to another wallet. This is how you can change wallet address on Bitkeep application quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.